Hey friends, we're going to talk about AET journaling, specifically time in your community service activities. So we're in the journal tab. We're going to go down here to this one, the community service activities. And this does not have to be community service activities that you did with FFA. It can be with any club, group, organization, church, on your own, whatever it is. If you've done community service, you're going to want to track that. So we're going to go here. This is the date that you actually did the activity, not the date you're putting it in. So we're going to say that Ted did something with his Boy Scout group on September 13th. This category again is if you happen to have clicked the wrong thing and you're like, I didn't mean to do a community service activity, I need to do something else. Go in there, select that, but we're going to leave it at that. Group that you served is going to be the group that you actually helped, not the group that you went with. So he went with his Boy Scouts, but he was at the Westminster Nursing Home. Okay. Skill areas, you're going to select this. This is going to always take you to career ready practices, but if there's something else, say you were doing lawn service for elderly in the community or something like that, you could go into plant systems, or if you were walking dogs at the shelter or something like that, you can go to animal systems. So you can go into any of them and select, but for the first one, it's always going to take you to career ready practices. Okay, so we're going to say that in this he did some stuff about personal wellness plan. They were there and they were talking to the people at the nursing home, and they did some sort of health related thing. Okay. In here, this is going to be your activities and descriptions. We require that you do 3 complete sentences. If you're from another chapter, that may vary. It just kind of depends on what your advisor says. So this is where you would say what group you did it with. So we went with this Boy Scout group to the nursing home. We did outdoor lawn games with the residents. They really enjoyed it, and I loved interacting with another generation. Okay? Remember, always check your spelling. Interacting, change that. Awesome. Okay. Hours and minutes. So they were there for an hour and 35 minutes. Again, pictures are always optional, but if you're applying for scholarships or awards, it's good to add pictures because it is going to automatically populate into some of those scholarship and award applications that are through FFA, and it will help you get those. So once you're done, you hit save, and it's easy as that.